Hello beautifuls! Today I'll be trying on these Kiss Jelly Fantasy press-on nails. So if you would like to see me try these on and see what they look like, please just keep watching. I did get a variety of different Kiss nails. This is the French manicure set, and then I have another Jelly Fantasy set coming on Thursday. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see me try on the other pair of Kiss nails. The reason why I am using these press-on gels is because sometime last week I was trying to make an appointment to get my nails done, and I found a really cool place around the area and I kept calling them and they weren't answering. And then it just hit me that we are in a lockdown, so they're probably not open. The reason why I even want like fake acrylic nails in the first place is because I am tired of painting my nails every single week. You guys may have noticed that I am making content on a weekly basis, and I'm trying to amp it up to 3 videos a week. And one of the things that I can change is my nails. And I thought that I would be able to like paint my nails every single week, but it's just, I don't know, it's just not something I want to do. I don't like how damaging they are to my nails, but I have just come to accept that nails can almost make or break a lot of things. Me personally, I love watching other YouTubers. I love seeing their beautiful nails. Like this is so boring and so like, ugh. Anyways, I'm talking too much about this. But yeah, that is the reason why I'm now using Kiss Jelly Fantasy Kiss press-on nails. Let's go ahead and try on these nails. And as always, if you are enjoying the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so that you will see more. Okay, let's go. These are the Kiss Jelly Fantasy nails, and the Jelly Fantasy line actually has a variety of different styles. They're supposed to mimic the 90s when jelly translucent sandals were a thing. I got these at Target for $8. The kit comes with a glue, which I hear is pretty good, a set of nails with a variety of different sizes, and lastly, it comes with a cuticle pusher, nail filer, and sticky tabs. I'm first going to start by pushing all of my cuticles back. Here I am scraping the cuticle area a little bit more since I haven't pushed back my cuticles in a while. I don't know what this part of the nail is called, but I had to scrape it off. Next, I'm going to file down all of my nails, and the nail file that comes with the kit works perfectly fine. Next, I'm using nail polish remover, and I'm using this to remove all the excess stuff off of my nails. And once I'm done doing this, I will wash my hands and then wait for them to fully dry before applying the nails. While my hands are drying, I'm going to go ahead and match up the nails to my fingers. My tip is try to go with the exact same size or a size smaller. When you use a size that's a little bit bigger, it will tend to look less natural on the nail. So you either want to do like a little pinch smaller, but don't go too small because it will end up being too tight on the finger. And if you find that once you've applied the nail, a little bit of your natural nail is showing, you could just go ahead and file it. Now I'm ready to apply the nails on. I'm going to be using the sticky tabs because I don't want to have these nails on for too long. If anything, I only want to have them on for a day or two. And these sticky tabs will definitely last you for about 2 days and no longer. If you want them to last for about 1 to 2 weeks, then you would definitely use the glue. When you're applying the sticky tab, you'll just firmly press it on the hand and try to get it around the nail as much as possible. I did it the hard way and I put some smaller stickers on some of my fingers, and this is not a good idea. The nail will look like it's popping off a little bit, so make sure that you choose the exact same size as your finger, or choose a size a little bit bigger, but you also don't want the sticker part to reach outside of your nail because you will see it once you put the nail on. This is kind of the same concept as using nail glue. If you do use nail glue, you want to make sure you get it all around the nail and every corner, but you don't want to use too much, so much that the glue is squirting outside of the nail. Okay, now on to the final step. I'm just peeling the back of the sticky off, and then I'm going ahead and applying the nail. So the way I apply the nail is I make sure I press the bottom first and kind of try to tuck it underneath my cuticle, or as close to the cuticle as possible. I start from the bottom and then I press up, and I make sure that I don't press it all the way down right away because I want to make sure the nail isn't crooked. And then once it's on there, I press it about, it doesn't say, it says press it. A tip is you should press it a few times, but I just go ahead and I either press down for 20 seconds or I press about 10 or 20 times. And when you're done, make sure you don't wash your hands for an hour after. These nails felt very secure for an entire day until the end of the day at nighttime when I washed my hands. A couple of the nails felt a little bit loose, but I think that's because I was using the smaller sticky tabs on them. So towards the end of the second day, more of them started to feel loose. So I would say that it definitely doesn't last for more than 3 days. But the good thing is when you're ready to remove them, they're really easy. You literally just peel them off your fingers and you're good to go. Okay, so that is it for my kiss nail tutorial slash try on, and I am absolutely loving it. I think these, as far as my at home do it yourself nail thing, I think this is my this is my favorite one. They just look so, I was gonna say natural. They look so salon-like. Unless you looked up really closely, I don't think you'd be able to tell. And even when I do look up really close, I still feel like you won't be able to tell. I think that if you put the glue on, it's going to be even better. I love them so much. I hope you guys love them too, and I hope this video helped you guys. Oh my god, I'm just loving them so much. I'm so happy, and I think this is the reason why these got such high reviews. And I think that it's this jelly formula or texture that's making them look more realistic and less like press-on nails. Anyways, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, and also make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. I'll make sure to film the other nails as well so you guys can see what that looks like. Anyways, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in another video. Bye!